Another unique feature of Diva Works is our own WH&S manager on staff. Because we work in construction with top-tier builders, we must fulfil a shed load of paperwork and regulatory requirements to be able to work on site. We carry out those same processes whether it's for a complete fit-out or installing just a simple graphic on site. Our WH&S manager will contact our clients in the early stages of a project and engage with them to check induction requirements we need to fulfil. They will ensure all of our suppliers have the necessary documentation and will check to ensure that they are skilled for the work that they are being contracted and insured to do the work that they intend to do. Our WH&S manager will come to site and do spot audits on the project manager and the suppliers and then give them feedback on what we all could be doing better. They also provide the project manager with pre-site briefing to ensure we're doing the daily toolbox talks and observing any areas on site that may be considered a potential risk or hazard. As the owner of Diva, I want to avoid any injuries to my team or suppliers on site. My investment in having a WH&S manager ensures we all manage that risk as best as possible.